Hey guys, today I will be installing a bike and roof rack on this car, so let's get going. This is my Volkswagen Jetta. I'll be using the factory roof rack and the Barracuda bike rack. Start by opening your doors. Wipe your roof to prevent dust from getting caught underneath the racks, and just place them on there. There's going to be little holes in the back to line them up. And in the front, I just keep the clamps between those two indents. There should be a wrench with the package that's unique to your rack. On each nut, there's an arrow that will line up with the arrow on your socket. Tighten it when it feels snug, give it just a little bit more. The bike rack will simply slide into the T-slot. Turn and press down to tighten. Undo the straps front and back, and go get your bike. Well, hopefully that was helpful. This is my first ever YouTube video, so I'll leave your feedback in the comments. And if you thought it was any good, maybe hit that thumbs up button. Okay, I won't lie, this isn't a car channel. I'm a carpenter, so if construction woodworking is something you're into, consider subscribing.